Welcome back to Dsquare Electronics. Today we are talking about something simple but very important, your digital door lock password. If you haven't changed it since the day it was installed, this video is for you. Most digital door lock comes with a default factory password, and here's the problem. These default codes are easy to guess, sometimes even listed online in manuals. Imagine this. Your house looks secure from the outside, but if your password is still the same as the day one, it's like leaving the keys under the doormat. Over time, many people forget to update their password. But think about it. You change your phone's passcode, your ATM pin, even your email password. So why not the lock that protects your family, valuables and peace of mind? Here are the 3 quick tips to make your digital door lock more secure. Change the default password immediately after the installation. Use a strong code. Avoid birthdays, 1, 2, 3, 4 or a repeated digits. Update your password every 3 to 6 months. Just like you service your appliances, your lock's password also need a maintenance. And here's something most people forget. If an employee leaves your office or a helper stops working at your home, you do not delete their fingerprint from the lock. If not, they may still have the access. Also, if your lock faces a technical problem and refuses to open, you should use the backup mechanical keys. But remember, never store these keys inside the house. Keep them safely outside like a trusted neighbor's home or in another secure location. That's way you can access them when the lock doesn't open. And if you feel all this is too technical or you simply don't have time, don't worry. You can always contact us at Dsquare Electronics. We will provide you with an AMC consultation and a complete assistance to keep your lock and your home security always up to date. At Dsquare Electronics, your security is our priority. A digital lock is smart, but only as smart as the password you choose. So take 2 minutes today, change the password and keep your home truly secure.